Strengthening Faith 50. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Muslims often have periods within their lives where they exert themselves by increasing the amount of worship they perform. This often happens in the holy month of Ramadan, where Muslims decide to change their lives around by striving much harder than normal. The issue with exerting too much effort in a short period of time is that it often leads to one giving up and returning back to normal. First of all, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has warned Muslims in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 43, not to overburden themselves and only perform voluntary deeds which they can handle. He concluded by declaring that the most beloved of deeds to Allah, the Exalted, are the ones done regularly irrespective of their size. Muslims should therefore adhere to this advice, as it is more likely they keep up their obedience over a longer period of time. In reality, the important time is not the period where one feels a spiritual high and exerts extra effort. The important time is when one returns back to normal, as spiritual highs very rarely last. Muslims must ensure that no matter how much they return from a spiritual high, they must continue fulfilling their obligatory duties. Then they should dedicate some time to learning and acting on the established traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Changing step by step like this is much better than exerting extra effort over a short period of time, and there is a greater chance that one will maintain their improved obedience to Allah, the Exalted, in the long term if they change gradually, step by step. No one is demanding Muslims to become saints overnight. Improvement takes time, but this means that one should not stand still and actually take small but regular steps to improve their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience.